Thousands of miles of historic footpaths that faced being lost forever could now be saved after the government committed to lifting a deadline for all England's rights-of-ways to be mapped. Campaigners have welcomed the decision, but a body that represents rural landowners said it will cause significant uncertainty for farmers.
A bracing walk in the countryside, for many a Boxing Day tradition. But the previous government had said that public rights-of-way would have to be registered within the next 6 years, or they would be gone forever. That deadline has now been removed, to the delight of campaigners who say mapping them all in that timeframe would have been impossible.
Well, there are hundreds of miles, if not thousands of miles of paths out there, which are public highways in law. So we have the right to use them on foot, bike, horseback, but they're unrecorded. And so they're a secret and nobody knows they're there. Developers build over them, landowners plant crops over them. So we need to get those paths put on the map so we all know where they are so that we can use and enjoy them. And the 2031 cutoff was designed to stop us from doing that and would have meant that all these public paths would have remained a secret, would have been lost.
The battle over access to the countryside stretches back decades. The mass trespass of Kinder Scout in 1932 kick-started a campaign which eventually led to the creation of a definitive map showing public rights-of-way. But the map has never been declared complete. It's thought there are more than 40,000 miles of historic rights-of-way across England and Wales, and as of March this year, there were nearly 8,000 unprocessed applications sitting with councils, with research suggesting local authorities have worked through fewer than 1 in 3 cases over the past 5 years. But a deadline for a definitive list would have given landowners certainty over the status of their land, with the National Farmers Union saying today's announcement means claims will continue to disrupt many farm businesses for years to come, with an outdated focus on routes that haven't been used for centuries. And so, in many places, the clash over who has a right to access historic routes looks set to continue long into the future. The kind of argument that many hope won't get in the way of the pleasure of their Boxing Day walk. Hannah Miller, BBC News.